the most prestigious millionaire front, we have a new building with a direct access to the sea and a high level of privacy. Grand bedrooms with their own bathrooms, all done in different styles: Bentley, Hermès, Gucci, Versace, and Prada. We have 2 fully independent villas in one. Each person will have their own suite with walk-in wardrobe, huge balcony with a prime view on the first floor. Downstairs, they will have 2 main entrances, taking them into one shared ground floor space. Also, we have 2 outdoor rooms in completely separate buildings, so plus 2 rooms outside and 2 inside just for staff. Special place, special people, high-end community like no others, equally good for everyday living and investment.